Yikes. Howdy folks, Shawn here from Hiking with Shawn on YouTube. And today I'm at Garden of the Gods, Golden Circle Trailhead, or Knights of the Golden Circle as they call it. And going to be going into the forest, checking out some pretty cool stuff, pretty cool bluffage, cracks in the bluffage, natural arches, stuff like that. Big thanks to Bill Gilmore for showing me many of these places. And so far it's turning into a beautiful day. Got some horse riders here, a couple of hikers, and we're gonna go in and all enjoy the forest together. So just in case any of you hike during the spring and summer, not to discourage you from hiking, but you should always look at the undergrowth and see what it is. Like all this out here, all this poison ivy. If you're allergic to it, you know, that could be a bad deal. I used to be allergic to it. I don't get it anymore. So the only advice I can give you is what I did is every summer I'd see it, I'd get into it and make sure I got it a couple times a year. And I think my theory is I eventually became immune to it, which is the theory of some scientists, and that's who I decided to follow. But nowadays I don't get it at all. So do watch out for it though. Alrighty folks, here at this somewhat of an overlook, see the forest out a little ways. It's really cool actually. It's pretty sky, clear sky, the sun's out, it feels great on like a little barrens area. I think I either hear a creek or a waterfall, but everything's greening up. It's getting really green and pretty. Alrighty folks, here at Mushroom Rock. It's a rock that looks like a mushroom kinda. Been here before. I was here with a group hike, so I didn't record much, so I can record a little bit more now. It's a really cool little piece of bluffage, just a mushroom looking rock, kind of out in the middle of nowhere in the forest because there's not a whole lot of bluffage around it, but there it is. It's really cool. Mushroom Rock. That's my girlfriend. Alrighty folks, been in here before. I think they call this Cowboy Hideout. I don't know, but just a crack in the bluff. And it's muddy. Yes, it's muddy. But here it is. It's really neat. It's really muddy, so if you ever do make it here, put GPS coordinates down in the description below in case you want to check it out. But you get over here in the center or towards the end and it's just like a big room. It's like as big as a room right here. It's very, very interesting. It's just neat. It's a crack in the bluffs and erosion, and it's turned into just a cool looking place to go into. It's really interesting. I gotta keep on the lookout for snakes. Probably not gonna be in here, it's kind of cooler, but you gotta make sure. And really neat. Be a good place for snakes. And it just kind of ends up here. issues, no critters. And then right through there's like a little squeeze hole. It's really cool. And you can even see the top right there. Pretty neat, huh? Make sure water didn't get on the lens. Alright, folks. Still hiking the trail looking for the arch. Cool bluffage area. Felt like I should be filming all sorts of cool bluffage over here. All around us too. It's kind of neat. This is really neat. Neat area. I hear a Phoebe.
Yep, a couple of Phoebes.
Yep. Pretty cool. Alrighty, folks, at Buzzards Roost, which is a really cool rock formation. I gotta sneeze. Hey, woo. Sorry about that. Here you go. All sorts of cool bluffage formation. Very popular among the horse crowd. There's a high line right there you can tie your horses to. And it's just all a lot of cool bluffage. And I think there's a way you can get on top. I'm just not too sure. But it's pretty neat. You can go explore all through it, and we'll do that right now. Check it out. All sorts of little crevices and cracks, and you just go around the, almost like windows. That's pretty cool. The fire pits, of course. A lot of people have partied in this area. Surprisingly, there's not a whole lot of trash. Quite a bit of graffiti, though, unfortunately. Be a good place to come and try to remove some of the graffiti. Alrighty, folks. Now we are approaching an arch. Been here before, but like I said, the last time I was here was with a group of people. Didn't get to stay long and really experience it, which is what I'd rather do. So it's right up here, but it's really cool. It's a bigger arch. Hey, look at this one. But it's really cool area. Sorry, I had to point out a heart rock. Whoa! And it's just a neat little arch. Neat big arch, really. Not that little. There's like a waterfall or something in it. But here you go. Quite cool. Get back a little so you can see it. there it is. And it's just a neat, I mean, it's not too big, but it's big. And here's a little waterfall. That's cool. Always got to appreciate a waterfall in an arch. There's a little crack in the arch itself. A little observation area. It's pretty neat. So that's cool. Love the arches. Alrighty, folks. Back on the move. Back on the move. Been a really fun day. Had about nearly 5 miles of pretty cool stuff. Pretty cool bluffage. Pretty cool. That's kind of neat back here. All sorts of coolness. And look at there, there's a window. That's pretty neat.
I thought you saw it.
I didn't see that.
Yeah, that's why I didn't say anything.
Oh, okay. Yep, that's cool. I didn't see that at all.